battling an invisible enemy in Baghdad. Tahrir Square has been at the center of violent confrontations between security forces and anti-government protesters. Now it's being sprayed with chemicals as coronavirus spreads.
We are not afraid of snipers. We will not be frightened by coronavirus. Iraq is more important than anything. Iraq is everything. What is coronavirus?
We've faced much worse than the coronavirus. We've faced killings, snipers, bombs, all different kinds of killing.
The government is banning large public gatherings. It wants to close schools and universities, as well as restaurants and cafes like this one in a Baghdad mall.
I think the whole thing has been exaggerated. There's concern and anxiousness, and when it comes to the health sector, Iraqis always exaggerate. Yes, there is a problem, but I'm more worried about security than about health.
Business owners have been confronting health officials who've been checking to see if the mall's shops have been sterilized.
The state frightened people. We have to be cautious as businessmen about any decision made by the health ministry or the state itself. This will have an impact on business.
At least one patient known to have the virus is being treated in this Baghdad hospital. An Iraqi man who traveled from Iran is the first confirmed case of the virus in a city of 9 million people. These pictures were filmed for Al Jazeera by one of the nurses. Other patients are being treated in the northern city of Kirkuk. Dozens of suspected cases are being monitored around the country. Despite the government warnings, Iraq's holy sites are still drawing large crowds.
Concerns about coronavirus may have gone some way to thinning out the crowds that would normally be gathering here in Tahrir Square. But in Baghdad, the streets are still packed with traffic and they're busy with people. Many Iraqis have lived through decades of conflict and political upheaval, and it seems that they're not ready yet to have their daily lives interfered with by a virus.
The risk of coronavirus may be edging closer to the crowded heart of Baghdad, but Iraqis here seem determined to carry on as normally as they can. Matheson, Al Jazeera, Baghdad.